Eating just 2 dates every day can transform your health in surprising ways, especially after the age of 50. This small dietary adjustment brings enormous and effective benefits for those in this age group, promoting better digestion and significant strengthening of the immune system. In this video, we'll explore the 10 impressive benefits of including dates in your daily diet and show how this habit can improve your health in just 1 week. Plus, don't miss until the end, as I'll share 2 delicious and practical recipes that will help you integrate dates into your diet in a tasty and nutritious way. Join me to discover how this sweet fruit can be a powerful tool for healthy and active aging. Nutritional properties of dates. Nutritional properties of dates. Dates are more than just a natural sweet treat. They are a nutritional powerhouse, especially beneficial for individuals over 50 years old. Firstly, they are rich in fiber, which aids in digestion improvement and helps prevent issues like constipation, which is common as we age. Additionally, they provide an excellent source of immediate energy due to their high content of natural sugars, such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose, but without causing sharp spikes in the glycemic index thanks to the presence of these fibers. Another important aspect of dates is their high antioxidant content, which combats free radicals, helping reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer and heart disease. These antioxidants include flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid. Dates are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral for maintaining cardiovascular health, helping to control blood pressure and prevent strokes. Therefore, by incorporating 2 dates per day into your diet, you not only enjoy a tasty and natural snack, but also reap a host of benefits that promote health and well-being as you age. Improved digestive health. One of the most notable benefits of incorporating dates into your diet is the significant improvement in digestive health. Dates are exceptionally rich in fiber. Consuming just 2 dates per day provides about 12% of the recommended daily intake of fiber. These fibers help regulate bowel function, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation, a common condition in older individuals. Furthermore, the fiber in dates helps increase the feeling of fullness, which can be crucial for appetite control and, consequently, body weight management. This satiety effect also helps reduce the glycemic load of meals, stabilizing blood sugar levels and avoiding insulin spikes, which is especially important for diabetics or those trying to manage their weight. Integrating dates into your diet not only promotes more efficient digestion, but also contributes to better overall gastrointestinal health, offering a powerful start for those seeking healthy aging. Bone health support. Another impressive benefit of eating dates regularly is the support for bone health, especially crucial for individuals over 50 years old, when bone density tends to decrease. Dates are rich in essential minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which are critical for maintaining and strengthening bones. Potassium, for example, helps neutralize acids that remove calcium from the body, while magnesium is essential for proper calcium absorption by the bones. Additionally, dates contain boron, a mineral that many studies show to be effective in promoting bone health. The presence of all these minerals makes dates a strategic food to include in the diet, helping to prevent conditions such as osteoporosis and bone fragility, which are common as we age. Therefore, by consuming 2 dates daily, you not only enjoy a delicious treat, but also make an important investment in maintaining the health and strength of your bones, protecting them against the natural age-related degeneration. Promoting cardiovascular health. Dates offer a third crucial benefit: promoting cardiovascular health. The risk of heart disease increases with age. Thanks to their high potassium content, dates help maintain heart health by regulating blood pressure and reducing the risk of stroke and other heart complications. Furthermore, the soluble fibers present in dates play a vital role in reducing LDL cholesterol levels, known as bad cholesterol. These fibers bind to cholesterol in the digestive system and help eliminate it from the body, preventing the formation of plaque in the arteries. As a result, dates contribute to the maintenance of healthy arteries and efficient blood flow, essential elements for preventing atherosclerosis and other heart problems. Therefore, including 2 dates daily in your diet can be a simple and delicious strategy to support cardiovascular health, providing a natural defense against heart disease that is so common in old age. Strengthening the immune system. Regular consumption of dates can significantly strengthen the immune system, a crucial benefit when the efficiency of the immune system may begin to decline. Dates are rich in vitamins C and D, known for their immune-boosting properties. days. Vitamin C is essential for defending against infections and diseases, while vitamin D plays a critical role in modulating immune responses. In addition to vitamins, dates contain antioxidants such as beta-carotene and flavonoids, which help protect cells against free radical damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. These antioxidants also have anti-inflammatory properties, which are important in combating chronic inflammation, often associated with several serious diseases. So, by adding 2 dates to your daily diet, you not only enjoy a delicious snack, but also provide your body with valuable support to maintain a robust and resilient immune system, essential for maintaining health and well-being into adulthood. Improvement in brain health. Incorporating dates into your diet can bring notable benefits to brain health, especially valuable for those above 50 years old. Dates are rich in compounds that promote brain health, including antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolics, which help reduce inflammation in the brain and combat free radicals. These antioxidants are essential for protecting brain cells against oxidative damage that can lead to neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia, and it doesn't stop there. Dates contain elements like vitamin B6, which is crucial for the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and promote mental well-being. Maintaining adequate levels of these neurotransmitters is key to preventing depression, anxiety, and helping to maintain healthy cognitive function. Understand, by adding 2 dates to your daily diet, you're not only enjoying a tasty snack, but also contributing to the maintenance of a healthy and active brain, essential for a higher quality of life in the elderly. Aid in weight maintenance. Another important benefit of dates is their assistance in weight maintenance, especially relevant for individuals above 50 years old when metabolism tends to slow down. Despite being rich in natural sugars, dates have a high fiber content, which helps regulate the absorption of these sugars, preventing glycemic spikes and promoting a more stable and prolonged energy release. The fibers present in dates also increase the feeling of fullness, helping to control appetite and reducing the tendency for excessive or compulsive snacking. This appetite control is vital for those seeking to maintain or reduce weight, especially at a stage in life where physical activity may be reduced. Including 2 dates per day in your diet can be an effective and natural way to help manage your weight, providing a sweet and nutritious snack that satisfies without compromising your health and well-being goals. Prevention of anemia. Dates are an excellent source of iron, a crucial mineral for preventing anemia, a common condition especially in individuals above 50 years old. Anemia can lead to a series of debilitating symptoms such as fatigue, lack of energy, and concentration problems. Including dates in the diet helps increase iron levels in the body, essential for the formation of hemoglobin in red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout the body. In addition to iron, dates contain copper, another important mineral that aids the body in iron absorption. This is especially useful for those who may have difficulties in maintaining adequate iron levels through diet alone. Regular consumption of dates can therefore be a simple and natural strategy to combat anemia and keep your body energized and capable of performing daily activities with vigor. Adding 2 dates to your daily routine can be a delicious way to help maintain adequate iron levels, supporting overall health and effectively combating anemia in a natural manner. Improved skin health. Dates are beneficial for skin health thanks to their rich composition of vitamins and minerals. They contain vitamins C and D, vital for the formation of collagen, a protein responsible for skin elasticity and health. Vitamin C in particular is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin against free radical damage caused by sun exposure and pollution. Additionally, dates have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce skin inflammation such as acne and eczema. Eating dates regularly can contribute to clearer skin by reducing redness and irritation. Include 2 dates daily in your diet and keep your skin healthy and radiant while enjoying the natural benefits of these nutrients to combat signs of aging and promote cell regeneration, essential for young, vibrant skin. Improved hair health. These fruits are rich in essential nutrients that promote hair health, such as B vitamins, iron, and vitamin E. Vitamin B in particular is crucial for keeping hair strong and preventing hair loss, while iron helps improve circulation blood flow to the scalp, stimulating hair growth and preventing premature hair loss. The vitamin E contained in dates is known for its antioxidant properties, which help protect hair from environmental damage and oxidative stress, keeping strands hydrated and healthy. Regular consumption of dates can therefore contribute to stronger, shinier, and voluminous hair. This is just one of the many benefits that this small but powerful fruit can offer, especially valuable for those looking to maintain vitality and a youthful appearance. nutrients. Preventing diabetes. Dates have a significant benefit in preventing diabetes due to their high fiber content. These fibers help slow down the absorption of carbohydrates from food, which helps balance blood glucose levels. This blood sugar regulation is essential for preventing insulin resistance and, consequently, the development of diabetes. Incorporating dates into the diet can be an effective and delicious way to help maintain metabolic health and prevent diabetes-related issues. Consuming dates properly can maximize their health benefits and ensure you get the most out of this delicious fruit. Here are some tips on how to integrate dates into your daily diet effectively. Choose the right dates. Prefer fresh or dried dates that are free from additives and additional sugars. Fresh dates tend to be softer and juicier, while dried ones are more nutrient-dense and calorie-dense, but both are beneficial. Ideal quantity. Eating 2 dates per day is usually sufficient to enjoy their benefits without adding excessive calories to your diet. Incorporating them as part of a healthy snack or as a natural sweetener in recipes can be an excellent way to consume them. Strategic timing. Consuming dates in the morning can provide an energy boost due to their natural sugar content. Alternatively, eating them after meals can aid digestion thanks to their high fiber content. Complement in recipes. Dates can be chopped and added to cereals, yogurts, or salads for a sweet touch. They also work well in smoothies, providing natural sweetness without the need for added sugars. Proper preparation. For better digestion and to activate nutrients, it can be helpful to soak dates in hot water for a few minutes, especially if they are very dry. This makes them softer and easier to blend into recipes. Storage. Keep dates in a sealed container in a cool, dry place to preserve their quality and extend their shelf life. If they are fresh, consider storing them in the refrigerator to maintain freshness. By following these tips, you can easily incorporate dates into your diet and enjoy all their health benefits in a practical and delicious way. One of my favorite recipes is making homemade energy bars. I mix chopped dates with nuts, oats, and a little coconut oil, forming a dough that is then shaped into bars and refrigerated. It's a delicious option for a quick and healthy snack. Now it's your turn. Share your favorite date recipe in the comments, and let's help each other discover new amazing ways to enjoy this wonderful fruit. How about starting the day with a creamy and energizing smoothie? Another recipe I love is quite simple. Just blend some pitted dates, a ripe banana, a little plain yogurt, and a handful of ice in a blender. The result is a refreshing, perfectly sweet, and nutrient-packed drink. Give it a try and be amazed by the unique flavor of this smoothie. These recipes are not only delicious but also take advantage of the nutritional benefits of dates, making them perfect options for healthy snacks or a quick energy boost.